Today, there is considerable enthusiasm in the Bitcoin realm due to a recent unexpected occurrence. The U.S. Federal Reserve, which regulates a significant segment of the U.S. economy, has officially declared its intention to embrace XRP, a digital currency created by Ripple Labs. This is excellent news for XRP holders and cryptocurrency lovers around. Numerous individuals believe that conventional financial institutions will ultimately transition to digital currencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Nonetheless, the prospect of the Federal Reserve endorsing a cryptocurrency has astonished many. XRP has been a prominent subject of discussion in the market for years, often accompanied by both controversy and acclaim. The endorsement of XRP by prominent global financial institutions may significantly alter the cryptocurrency market landscape. What implications does this have for XRP's future and, more importantly, its valuation? The primary question is if XRP would see a substantial price surge, potentially attaining $10,000 per coin if this forecast materializes. The U.S. Federal Reserve, a prominent financial institution, is adopting a cryptocurrency that previously encountered much skepticism. What implications does this development hold for the future of cryptocurrencies? XRP has the potential to significantly influence the cryptocurrency landscape and alter our understanding of digital currencies and their function in the global economy. In what ways could digital currencies transform our perspectives of XRP and other cryptocurrencies? To comprehend the implications of the U.S. Federal Reserve's decision to embrace XRP, we must analyze the particulars and evaluate how this official move could elevate XRP to one of the most valuable assets globally. It is essential to initially step back and evaluate the true nature of XRP. XRP, created by Ripple Labs in 2012, was designed as a rapid, efficient, and cost-effective means of facilitating cross-border monetary transfers, unlike Bitcoin, which relies on mining for transaction validation. XRP utilizes a unique consensus mechanism that facilitates expedited transactions with reduced fees, making it an attractive option for banks and financial institutions when required. Facilitates substantial monetary transfers across countries without the exorbitant costs and protracted delays characteristic of conventional banking systems. XRP was initially conceived as a mechanism to accelerate international payments, minimizing the time required for money transfers from days to only seconds. The concept was clear: facilitate cross-border payments with the same speed and simplicity as sending an email. Years notwithstanding its utility and increasing acceptance, XRP's trajectory has encountered challenges. Ongoing legal ambiguity persists, especially about the classification of XRP as either a security or a currency. Ripple Labs has collaborated with numerous financial institutions, and XRP has gained extensive utilization inside the banking industry for this objective, which prompted inquiries over its future. Notwithstanding these impediments, although cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum are sometimes regarded as speculative investments, XRP has sustained its status as a leading cryptocurrency by market capitalization due to its strong network of partnerships and its utility in the banking industry. XRP has garnered a reputation as an instrument for augmenting the efficiency and rapidity of financial transactions. The United States Federal Reserve's affirmation of XRP's utility constitutes a substantial endorsement of its technology and potential, illustrating that the preeminent financial institutions globally are actively endeavoring to integrate cryptocurrencies into the existing financial infrastructure while recognizing their worth. This represents a significant advancement for digital currencies as a whole, extending beyond Ripple Labs and the cryptocurrency community. The Federal Reserve's decision to adopt XRP may herald a significant trend in the global financial system, positioning cryptocurrencies as essential elements of standard financial transactions and indicating that XRP is evolving beyond a mere speculative asset. With the backing of the Federal Reserve and the future of global finance having established XRP's significance in the financial sector, let us analyze the reasons why this official endorsement from the U.S. Federal Reserve could propel XRP's value dramatically. XRP possesses the capacity to fundamentally revolutionize global monetary transactions, enhancing speed, reducing costs, and increasing efficiency significantly. To date, numerous individuals have regarded XRP with skepticism owing to its legal disputes, designation as a banker's token, and distinctive role within the cryptocurrency landscape. The Federal Reserve's endorsement of XRP significantly enhances its legitimacy among both institutions and the general population. The Federal Reserve's involvement significantly alters this narrative. Nations, the adoption of a cryptocurrency by a prominent financial institution like as the Federal Reserve clearly demonstrates to the global community that XRP is not only a trend or speculative asset but a legitimate and integral element of the international financial system. Authorized assistance as central banks, financial institutions, and governments increasingly see the potential and use of XRP, we may anticipate a surge in institutional adoption. The historical volatility that has plagued cryptocurrencies may be significantly mitigated with this form of institutional support, rendering diversification automating distribution investment opportunities for regular traders and institutional investors. Let us now examine the projected value of the cryptocurrency XRP. While a $10,000 valuation for a single XRP may appear implausible, various legitimate circumstances might potentially precipitate such an increase. As additional financial institutions integrate XRP into their payment systems, the demand for the cryptocurrency will certainly rise. The heightened demand, coupled with a finite supply capped at 100 billion XRP, may create an optimal scenario for price escalation. Moreover, public perception of XRP will be pivotal when the Federal Reserve and other significant entities embrace it. A greater number of retail investors will likely emulate this behavior, hence amplifying demand further. Yet, XRP's appeal extends beyond demand. Its rapid transaction speed, minimal expenses, and instantaneous payment settlement render an attractive option for banks, corporations, and individuals requiring swift transfers of substantial amounts of money. Its utility in practical applications is unequivocal, serving as a primary determinant in its worth. The value of XRP may increase as awareness of its benefits grows. Nonetheless, a price of $10,000 may still appear. Nonetheless, it is not entirely implausible. There exists a legitimate potential that if XRP continues to acquire traction among governments, financial institutions, and institutional investors, the potential for significant increase is evident. Thus, irrespective of your investment experience or curiosity regarding the future of cryptocurrencies, the Federal Reserve's endorsement of XRP's role in the financial system unequivocally indicates that XRP's future is promising and its value may attain unprecedented levels. XRP's future is highly promising, exhilarating, especially now that the Federal Reserve is officially endorsing it. This